Hi guys and welcome back. This reading is for the zodiac sign of Aquarius. So if you have your sun, moon, rising or your Saturn sitting in the sign of Aquarius, this is the reading for you. The first card that I have for you, my lovely guys, is the Ace of Chalices. So something new is happening in your work or in regards to your work where you're going to get an opportunity to showcase your talent, to showcase your creativity. So for you guys, creativity seems to be the highlight moving forward. Now because I'm uploading this reading a little late, so this reading is applicable for the month of August as well, so not just July but also August. So you are going to get a chance to showcase your creativity, and that is something that's going to bring you a new opportunity, especially at work. The next card that I have for you is the Six of Pentacles. Now, Six of Pentacles is also telling me that it is because of this creativity plus somebody that knows you closely that you're going to move forward in whatever it is that you are doing. Now, this means that for people who are unemployed, there are chances that somebody could help you out, but they are helping you in a sense that they have some hidden agenda. You just don't know about it yet. But that is exactly what's happening. Now, for some of you, this could also mean that maybe you're trying to help a friend because you know the talent of this friend, you know what kind of creativity this person is going to bring in and what sort of energy this person is going to bring in to your new company or your venture or whatever it is that you're doing related to work or something that gives you money. But then this person is not telling you the entire truth. There is something that's hidden, something that's missing. At the bottom of the deck, I have the Four of Chalices, which is telling me that you do have opportunities knocking at your door, but you're not opening yourself up to receive those opportunities. So somebody is there, somebody wants to offer you an opportunity. Maybe you're self-doubting about your natural talents or your creativity and you're not sure about it. But my advice to you would be, if somebody offers to help you out, take the help. Don't be like this woman who's kind of keeping the door closed. Just keep yourself open to newer opportunities. The next card that I have for you is the Eight of Pentacles. Now, Eight of Pentacles card suggests that a lot of hard work would be needed moving forward. Whatever it is that you want to do, you'll have to work really hard at it. Now, this also tells me that during the month of July end and August, there's going to be a very strong energy of Saturn on you, which means that if you are not working out, so if you're not working out or if you're not going on long walks or if you are not sweating because of the workload, well, the chances are that success will not come to you as quickly. The next card that I have for you is the Ace of Pentacles. See, hard work and all, and it is going to give you a new stream of income. Now, for many of you, I do feel like this stream of income is going to come from something that you do with your hands or something that you are doing by yourself. So, for a lot of people, I see strong energy of entrepreneurship coming into play. So, you guys are going to be you're going to take the reins of your life and you're going to start something new, something that's going to give you a very consistent stream of income. Now, for people who are into investing, I do see you making some sort of new investment or you investing your money into something new. At the bottom of the deck, I have the Six of Themes, which is the Six of Swords. Not for all of you, but for some of you, travel might be there. Another thing is that because of this, there is some kind of deception here, not for all but for very few of you. Moving forward, you are going to put yourself away from this situation to move forward, and there is a lot of learning that is coming for you, my lovely people. The next card that I have for you is the Ten of Chalices. So if you have been dreaming to save for your family, if family planning is something you are doing, I do see it happening towards the end of August, possibly, or the middle of August, which is telling me that you'll be able to save enough money for your family so they can have all the comforts and all the luxuries in life. The next card that I have for you is the Leo card. This card is again telling patience. So if I look at the overall cards so far, uh, I'm going to tell you to have patience. Things are coming towards you. There are also chances that some of you might even buy a new house, but all these things are going to happen in the future. I can't give you a timeline yet, but they are going to happen like 100%. Because the advice here is you have to work really hard, you have to start doing what you feel passionate about, and you have to have patience. At the bottom of the deck, I have the King of Wands, which again is a card of that you rely on yourself, you rely on your creativity to help you move forward. There is nothing else that can help you move forward like your own creativity and your own patience, like own self confidence. Let's see from Moonology deck what sort of messages are we getting for you guys. The first card that I have for you guys is a time for healing. You need to take the time off. You need to balance your internal energies, possibly because there's going to be a lot of hard work, or you have already been on this journey of hard work, that you've absorbed a lot of negativity. The mindset has turned very negative, and you're not able to see the optimism or the joys around you. My suggestion for you would be to take some time off, just focus on yourself. Focus on your own inner growth and own healing. Meditation would be very, very helpful for you, especially during nighttime. The next card that I have for you is a time to give rather than take. So, new moon in Virgo. Now, because all this is happening, your Virgo house is activated. Virgo, or the sixth house, is also the house of service. It's a house where you have to give more rather than take more. You have to be of service to others. Another thing I would actually like to tell you is be mindful of how you are paying your loans. Because there are chances some of you might take up debt, or if you already have debt, there could be some issues paying back the debt. So make sure you pay attention to that. That is something that's very, very important for you. I think that would be all. Don't forget to check out your other readings, and I'll see you guys next month.